What's up, guys? Tim here. I'm first time doing an actual face review of my face, but hello. But I'm doing a review on the new Burger King taco. I don't know. Yeah. I'm just gonna get right into it, take a bite, and see how it tastes. Okay, so there's basically it. Okay, let's get right into it. It tastes just like a taco from Jack in the Box, but I give it a 6 out of 10. But yeah. Anywho, thank you for watching my short little video, and please like and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more car vlogs or reviews of food, or let me know in the comments below. Thank you and have a great night. Bye bye, y'all.